Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Flow podcast. I'm Ella.
And I'm Sam. We're very happy you're here today. Well done for pressing play.
Today's episode is about English at the restaurant. This is a very important topic because we all eat, right?
Yes, maybe you go to a cafe, maybe you go to a fast food place, maybe you go to a nice restaurant. Today, we help you speak simple English in all of these places. Before we start, please like, follow, and subscribe to the podcast. This helps us make more easy English for you. First, let's learn some basic restaurant words. These words are very common.
Listen first. Just listen. Restaurant. Cafe. Menu. Table. Waiter. Waitress. Server. Food. Drink.
Now let's say them together. Say it with us.
Restaurant. Menu. Table. Waiter. Food. Drink.
Great job. You're doing very well.
Now let's make easy sentences.
Remember, short sentences are good sentences.
I'm at a restaurant. I see the menu. I want food. I want a drink.
Very simple, very useful. Your turn. Your turn. Repeat after Ella.
I'm at a restaurant. I want food. I want a drink.
Well done. That was excellent.
Now let's hear a real-life conversation. Imagine you walk into a restaurant.
Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Table for one or two?
Table for one, please.
This way, please.
Thank you.
Table for one, please. This way, please. These are polite and easy sentences. We use simple English, no long grammar, no difficult words.
You don't need perfect English. You need clear English.
And you're doing great already.
Well done. You listened, you repeated, you practiced.
That's how you improve, step by step. In this part, we learn how to order food and drinks in English.
Yes, this is very useful. You can use these sentences in real life. Don't worry, we go slowly.
First, just listen. Menu. Order. Food. Drink. Water. Coffee. Burger. Pizza.
These words are very common. You will hear them a lot. Say it with us.
Menu. Order. Water. Coffee. Burger.
Excellent. Keep going.
Now we use simple sentences. Remember, short is good.
Listen. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a burger. I'd like water, please. I'd like coffee.
Very polite. Very clear. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like a burger. I'd like water, please. Great job. You sound very natural. Now let's listen to a real conversation at a restaurant.
Hello. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a burger, please.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I'd like water, please.
Sure. I'd like means I want, but it sounds more polite.
You can say, I'd like pizza. I'd like tea. I'd like juice.
Let's practice together.
Repeat and change the food. I'd like pizza. I'd like coffee. I'd like a salad. Well done. That's a great exercise.
Let's talk about breakfast. My go-to breakfast is a banana.
Nice. My go-to breakfast is eggs and toast.
You can say, my go-to breakfast is.
My go-to breakfast is a banana. Great sentence, simple and real.
In this part, we learn how to ask questions and talk about what we like.
Yes, asking questions is very important. It helps you feel confident and comfortable at a restaurant.
Remember, short questions are perfect. You don't need long sentences. What is this? What do you recommend? Is this spicy? Is this vegetarian? How much is it? These questions are very useful.
Say it with us. Repeat after Ella.
What do you recommend? Is this spicy? How much is it?
Well done. You're speaking clearly.
Now let's hear a real conversation.
Excuse me.
Yes?
What do you recommend?
Our burger is very popular.
Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Great. I'd like the burger, please.
What do you recommend? Is it spicy? I'd like the burger, please.
Very nice, very natural.
Now let's talk about preferences, what you like and don't like.
These sentences are easy and very common.
I like pizza. I love burgers. I don't like spicy food. I like sweet food.
You can use these sentences anywhere. Repeat after Ella.
I like pizza. Pause. I don't like spicy food. Pause.
Excellent. That was very clear.
Let's listen to another short dialogue.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't. I like mild food.
Okay. I love spicy food.
That's okay. Everyone is different. I don't like spicy food. I like mild food.
Perfect beginner sentences.
When you talk about what you like, people understand you better.
And you feel more relaxed. You don't feel lost.
Speaking is not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
Let's use a real example. My go-to lunch is a chicken sandwich.
Nice. My go-to lunch is rice and vegetables. You can say, my go-to lunch is. Say it with us.
My go-to lunch is.
Great job. You're using real English now. Welcome back. You're doing a great job. In this part, we learn what to say when something is not right at the restaurant.
Yes, problems can happen, and that's okay. You can speak calmly and politely.
Remember, polite English is simple English. The food is cold. The food is too spicy. This is not my order. I didn't order this. I need help.
These sentences are short and clear. Say it with us. Repeat after Ella.
The food is cold. This is not my order. I need help.
Excellent. Very clear.
Let's listen to a real-life conversation. Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? Sorry, the food is cold. I'm sorry about that. I'll fix it. Thank you. Listen again. Sorry, the food is cold. I'm sorry about that. I'll fix it. Thank you. Very polite, very simple. Now let's learn polite requests. These help you sound kind and friendly.
You can use can I or could I.
Can I have more water, please? Could I get a napkin, please? Can I change my order?
Very useful sentences. Repeat after Ella.
Can I have more water, please? Could I get a napkin, please?
Great job. You sound polite and confident.
Listen to this short dialogue. Excuse me, can I have more water, please? Of course. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Listen again. Can I have more water, please? Simple and perfect. Now, let's talk about paying the bill. This is very important at the end of the meal.
Yes, here are easy sentences you can use.
Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Can I pay in cash?
Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Well done, you're doing amazing.
Let's listen to one last dialogue. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Sure, here you are. Can I pay by card? Yes, that's fine. Thank you. You made it to the final part of today's episode. Well done.
Yes, really well done. You listened, you practiced, and you stayed with us. That's how progress happens.
Now, let's relax and review what you learned. Repetition helps your English grow stronger. I'm at a restaurant. Table for 1, please. Table for 2, please.
Let's repeat together. Table for 1, please. Table for 2, please.
Great job.
Now the menu.
Can I see the menu, please?
Your turn.
Let's review ordering. I'd like a burger, please. I'd like water, please. I'd like coffee. Repeat with us. Now, preferences. I like pizza. I don't like spicy food.
Your turn.
Excellent. Clear and simple.
The questions help you feel comfortable.
What do you recommend? Is this spicy? How much is it?
Repeat one sentence now.
That's a great question. Polite requests are very important. Can I have more water, please? Could I get a napkin, please? Repeat.
Well done. Very polite.
At the end of the meal, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card?"
Your turn.
Great. You're ready for a real restaurant now. Let's listen to one full mini conversation.
Hello. Table for 1, please.
This way, please.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course.
I'd like a burger and water, please.
No problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what do you like to order at a restaurant?
You can write something simple like, I like pizza, or my go-to meal is a burger.
We can't wait to read your answers.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, follow, and subscribe.
Thank you for learning English with us today.
Keep going. You're really improving.
See you next time.
Bye for now.